Hi guys, wanted to introduce you to our new Storytime bag to go. Remember, we get these at our local library. They're already full of books and activities for our littles to enjoy. So, look in our playlist this time for theme bears. Now, in our bag this time, we have a bear book. We have some felt pieces to go with some of our stories. Wow, we got like 6 to 10 bear books. And then we also had a friend show up in each of our videos. Have you watched any of them yet and found him? I don't know where he went though. Oh, there he is. Hi, Bear. Oh, Bear wants me to tell you that he has so enjoyed reading with Caleb this week. Yeah, you got that right. Bear is in this playlist, and he is going to be joining Caleb to read all of the books so we can get to our 1,000 books before kindergarten. Isn't that right, Bear? Yeah, him and Monkey are becoming best friends. So, take a look at our videos in our playlist themed bears and watch some books with Bear. Oh, Bear's waving. Also, listen for those shout outs. We let Bear in on a list of names for our littles, and he may call out on you to say hello. Alright, happy reading, guys. Go get your next booked bag theme at your local library. They're full of activities and books for your littles. Bye, Bear. Alright, happy reading, guys. We'll see you next time.